Hello guys, this is Simon. In this video, I'm going to show how I made 33% profit within 40 days in a stock which I have invested few months back. The video will be split into few parts as listed in the screen. The first would be the name of the stock which I have invested. Next would be what was my entry and exit plan and what you guys can learn from it. And the fourth one, I will show the screenshot of my trade along with the P&L. Fifth, will I invest back if I get the right opportunity again? So let's get back to the screen. I will show the stock which I have invested. The name of the stock is Schaeffler. So this is Schaeffler India Limited. As you can see in the chart, the stock has been in the bull run for a long time, and ever since after 2022 September, it's been consolidating a lot. So when I saw the stock, it's been hitting the support 3 4 times. I will show that to you right now. So like this first, second, third, fourth. So I was waiting for the right opportunity, and my plan is to enter when the stock comes down to this support line, but only after seeing the proper reversal candle. And my plan was to exit in two places. One would be here, and the second, if it ever goes and reach here. That was my initial plan, but I will show why I have exited in the middle. Let me zoom in. So when the stock came here, it took a strong support, and the next day it was followed by a green candle. I saw this and I took this as a confirmation, and I have invested right here. And I was waiting and planning to exit here, but there was no reversal candle. Even after this small dojo candle, there was only a bullish engulfing candle. So I waited till I could see a reversal candle. And finally, I saw a small dojo here and there was a bearish engulf. I thought, okay, this would be the proper exit, and I have exited right at this place. So even after exiting, I don't care if the stock goes like this, no matter how much the stock goes, I don't worry about that. So let's see how much I have made here. So like I have invested here and I have exited here. The stock, it was around 33 percentage. And I will also show the screenshot of my trade here, as you can see in the screen. And what you guys can learn from this video is that there are multiple trading patterns. Like everyone has their own trading strategy, like everyone has their own plan. So I believe in swing trading, and also there are two subtypes, I would say. The one would be you can enter at a breakout point such as this, and the other would be you can enter at a support line. In the case of breakout trading, the risk is that it can go down. The risk of the stock going down, the probability is higher, but when you trade at the support line, the probability is lower. I mean, the probability of respecting that support line is higher, but the profit won't be huge enough, as you can see in the breakout trading. This stock, I would say, exceptional. Usually I will aim around 15% in a trade, but this gave me a 33% profit. I saw the percentage and it was a huge run within 40 days. I exited the trade. So it depends upon you. You can either take a trade at a support line and exit at a resistance line, or you can go for a breakout trading. In the future, I will post more videos so that you can learn more from that. And also, the fifth question would be, will I ever invest back in this stock if I get the right opportunity again? Yes, of course. So, what would be my plan? My plan would be only at two cases. One, it could touch this point, it could take a reversal. I will confirm the trade only if I could see a proper reversal candle, or the trade could come back to here. The seven, yeah, the trade could come back to here. The stock may reach here. It may bounce back. Anything can happen. But whatever happens, I will go into trade only if I confirm after seeing a proper reversal candle. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Thank you. We will see you back in the next video. Until then, bye.